Okay, there's 2 fish.
You got 2 fish.
The 2? Oh, lucky. Really?
That, as you can see, is a much healthier chum.
Chum.
I just want to show her to you. It's a female. See the difference? Tiny little nose on her.
No teeth.
Big chest full of eggs. Feels like she's ready to spawn. You can see how clean she is. Hardly any marks on her. You can see a predator maybe got her right here a little bit. But yeah, 4 years of hard swimming and she's back home to get it done. Another beautiful provo.
Male?
Another male.
It's the Pajero.
Oh.
You can see the difference between this guy and the last one. So, this fish is an example of something you have to see that you can't describe that Mother Nature gives us. And that red is going to be like fire engine red in the next probably week and a half. You can see he's got a adipose fin, so he's unmarked. We refer to that as an unmarked fish on an enhanced system, not necessarily a wild fish, because we don't know for sure how long or what generation this fish is, but chances are pretty good he's a wild fish. You see the pipe, that big nose he's got? Apparently that's quite favorable for the ladies.